everybody, it's your girl Queen of Good Vibes. So today I'm doing a shopping haul and fridge restock. So stay tuned. We start with the toiletries. I have this 12-pack tissue. It's supposed to be 10, but there's an offer for 2 more. I really like that. It will serve me for some time being alone at home. Then I got these serviettes. And then the kitchen towels. I got the new Downy. I really don't know how this smells like. I'm told it's different from the old version, but I'm gonna try it because me, I can't do without. Not bad. Not bad. I'm waiting to know the results when I actually use it. And for my automatic air freshener, this is a lemon flavor. Yep. And let's see what I have here. I got a bath for laundry. And these are some, what is it called? Some cleaning clothes for my kitchen. Yeah. I like them. I like the texture actually. I got something, this is garlic crusher. And I love cooking, so I must improvise easier ways of working out in the kitchen. And I got a kitchen scissors. And these, what are they called? Perfumed toilet bowls. I think you know their work. You just throw them in your bathroom so that they bring some nice scent in the what toilet area. And I got a new knife and a chopping board, a new one. Yeah. On to our next packaging. So we got swallow wings. Let's see what I got. So number 1. I thought this soda is for babies, but I like Fanta, honestly. I'm also a baby. I'm a big baby. And let's see. Oh wow. And I got this pack because it was on offer, on discount. This is some Minute Maid. And I got baking flour and cooking flour, maize, which is maize flour. Maize. I love this unga. I love this flour because it gives the best ugali I've ever had. Oh, was this packed here by mistake? I don't think so. Yeah, and that's a mouthwash. Let's see what the other bag has. I've got bread here. I've got Indomie. For being lonely at home, sometimes I don't feel like cooking. I just like do Indomie. A lot of Indomie. Another pack of Indomie. And okay, these are just biting, some snacks for me. As I said, I'm a big baby. And we've got some queen cakes here. More queen cakes. And here we've got some apples. And then we've got some assorted yogurts. Yeah. I added some salt because you should never lack salt in your house, honestly. I added some Royco cubes for me as the chef I am. And then some candies. Oh my god, I'm a big baby. Some candies for me. I'm a big baby. And lastly, we've got a set of water glasses. Or what are they called? Is it water glasses, juice glasses, whatever it is? Yeah, and that's it, guys. And so guys, since I was in a mall, I passed by Mr. Price and I got myself some what are these called? Some slippers for the house, cause damn, the floor is so cold and I had to do something about that. So I got this pair and another pair, so I should have an extra in case a friend visits. And I have this one too. I like it because it feels so warm. Oh my god, Mr. Price. Oof. And then lastly, what did I get? I got myself some sandals. I like this quality. Feels like they are the best of the best. They're so nice. Look at that. I like the white. Okay, I just like them. They're so nice. And I got myself a new top, of course. Yeah, I got myself a new top. Yeah, I think now we'll get to meet on the next part of me arranging my fridge. See you.
Your feet, the cloth wraps on your knees. So darling, when the rain comes crashing in, I'll be right here and listen to you sing. Shout to me what they made you out to be. Burst the glass and start to scream so I can shout with you. Cry to me rivers that will raise the sea, creeks of pain and apathy. So darling, when you're deafened by the noise, I'll be right here and listen to your voice. Still be here for you along your way. Still be here for you. Still be here for you. I'll still be here for you along your way. Do you remember when you walked away? When all of our embers became ashes of grey. But I've been going time again and time again. I hope that you will see my heart too. But you don't remember me like I remember you. Like I remember you. I've been searching for the right time, but there's never a right time, only a wrong time. And I wish I could just be honest. this, I hope you believe that I tried. Do you remember when you said you'd stay? When all of our memories kept us feeling okay. I know that you've been crying again, but time again I tried my best to be there for you. But you don't remember, I remember you.